Chapter 26. In the morning, Dad is in the living room, sitting near Mom's tuba. "Hey," I say. When he turns toward me, I see that his eyes are red-rimmed. "How you doing, champ?" I know he was sitting here thinking about Mom. I wonder if he's thinking about the last time she played the tuba, and I wonder if it makes him as sad as it made me. Probably. I nod toward the tuba. "How you doing?" "Been better." I gave Dad a sympathetic look. He doesn't usually admit stuff like that. "Hey, maybe, don't worry, your old dad's going to be fine." "I know," I say, but I don't, because Dad still gets really sad sometimes. "By the way," he says, walking into the kitchen, "what's this?" He presses play on the answering machine. "It's underwear day at Harmon," Elliot says in a real excited voice. "Don't forget to wear your Superman underoos." Dad presses stop and I slump into a chair. "David?" I sigh. Things got weird between me and Elliot. Weird how? Dad sits beside me and puts a hand on my knee. Everything about Elliot spills out. Dad listens and nods. When I'm done, he waits a while, then says, "That explains the fight." He runs a hand through his hair. "Look, David, things like this happen at your age. You'll probably make up and forget all about it." "I don't think so," I say. "Things are pretty bad." "You'll be surprised." Dad gets up and measures ground coffee into the filter and slips it into the coffee maker. "Things have a way of working themselves out." "Yeah," I say. "Really, David, give it time." I know Dad's wrong. Just because he has a column where he has all the answers, it doesn't mean his answers are always right. Things don't always work themselves out. "Huh?" Dad says, turning from the coffee maker. "Some things don't work out," I say, "no matter how much time you give it." We both know I'm talking about Mom.